You're watching Something About Alicia, and I'm Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how I got my little updo petal ponytail style. I had posted it in my last video. The video, that was a Q&A that I had did, and I styled my hair. I was trying something new and I didn't record it because I thought it was going to turn out bad, but it turned out really good. So I've had some people ask if I can do a tutorial, and I'm going to do that to you. I'm going to do that for you today. Let's get started. You are going to need rubber bands. You're gonna need a real long ponytail. Put everything up. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a bow. So get your rubber bands out. You're going to need a lot. It's one rubber band per petal. So if you've never made petals before, I'm going to take this lock. If you've never made petals before, I'm gonna take this lock and bring the end to the root, like that. Bring the end to the root just like that. Then take a rubber band and tie it maybe 2 or 3 times at the root. And then you have a petal. Here's your petal. And then you're gonna do that for literally the rest of your head. So this one, don't tie it. Doesn't matter how small, they're gonna look real good when they're all done. Tie it at the base. You don't gotta do it tight. I do it like twice, because you're not gonna go nowhere. gonna finish this and then I'm gonna come back because I need to take a break. I am hot. And but as you keep going, your ponytail is going to get fuller and fuller and fuller, and just remember to keep pulling it and then looping it, just so your hair style is as tight as possible. So I'm going to do this off camera because I'm hot as hell, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. All right, peace. Okay, so I am all done with petaling. I guess that's what we're going to call it. My hair definitely seems longer this time around. So once you have all your petals in place, all you have to do is move them around. Oh, I missed one. All you have to do is pretty much move them around to get the shape you want. Move them around to get like a nice even shape. And if you want, you can like add some jewelry. Mine seemed really long. It seemed longer than last time. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to add some jewelry that I had picked up. It's like a little charm that I had picked up. It's really pretty. I had it in my hair already. I'm gonna just put it back in. Come with a little clip. So I think I might put it on this side. Okay. So you can pull them out a little to make them bigger. My petals are like hella big this time around. They were not nearly this long last time. My hair must have grew a lot because it was not nearly as big as this. So, but yes, that is how it's looking. And this is the style. And you can really do this with any ponytail. Just make a ponytail and then just petal the locks. That's all you really gotta do. So I'm gonna keep this in for like another week or two, since you know my hair looks fresh and all. But once I take this out, I might try curling my hair, because I actually liked how my hair looked right after I took these out. So I might try curling my hair next. But this is pretty much how you do the style, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys understood. This is like one of my first styling videos ever, so hopefully it was clear enough and you understood how to do it. And I hope you all try it. And if you do try it, tag me on Instagram or tag me in the YouTube video. But if you don't have a YouTube video, tag me on Instagram at somethingaboutalicia. And I would love to see you guys try this hairstyle. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.